Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed the poem "The Road Not Taken," which is written by Robert Frost. Let us discuss the important notes of the poem "The Road Not Taken." The first point is the poem emphasizes on the importance of taking right decisions at the crucial moments in our life. As I have earlier told you that Robert Frost is a poet who describes his ideas in a very simple and appealing manner, and the idea he presents in his poem quietly reflects the common people and their decisions. Similarly, in our life, we have many situations when we have to make right decisions at the crucial moments in our life. Situations come in our life when we have to take right decision, and the decision taken by us affect it uh, affect the life course of our. Second point is here the poet has reached a turning point where he has to make a decision. Similarly, we also have a situation in our life where we have to choose one option from the two or from three. Similarly, when after 10th, when you will go for the 11th class, you will have three options and you will have to choose one option from that, and that will shape your future, that will shape your destiny, that will shape your life. Third point is there are two paths before the poet. One leads to the undergrowth and the other is less traveled by people. As we have seen in the poem that there were two paths before the poet. One path was undergrowth and the other is less traveled by people. Yani ki he was having two choices where he has to opt one, and between the two paths, one was less grassy and was looking very attractive, and one was looking trodden, that it was looking that many people have gone upon the path and it was undergrowth. And second one was less traveled by the people. The fourth point is the poet takes a long time to arrive at a decision because he knows that the decision which he takes now will make a big difference to his life. Similarly, in our life, when such a situation arrives, we also goes in deep thinking. We think about the impact of this decision on our life and the people who are concerned for us. So when we have to take important decisions, we also spend some time to think about the decision. Similarly, the poet takes a long time to arrive at a decision because he knows that the decision which he is going to take, it will bring a big difference, huge difference in his life. Next is he decides to take the less traveled path because he wants to be unique. When he was about to come the path, so he was thinking that I will not go on that path where the most of the people or most of the crowd is going on. He wanted to take the less traveled path because he wanted to be unique, he wanted to be different from others. That is why he takes to decide the less traveled path. Next is after some time he realizes that both the roads were equally used by people. Although at the starting point he was when he was choosing the second path, he was thinking that this path is less traveled by the people and I will be unique and I will be different. But after some time, when he went to second path, on the second path he realizes that this career which he has chosen is also equally used by the people. He is not a single, or he is not unique and different at all. Many people have used this career also. The poet keeps the other path reserved for another day. When he was taking his decision, he thought that the first path or another career, he will come back in his life on another day, and he will keep the second path. Yani ki he thought that he will choose this path for another day. But as we know that if we have taken one decision, it is not possible to come back, and the way leads to the way, and we have to keep on going on and going on. He doubts that he would ever have a chance to come back. He was in a confused situation. He was thinking that, because he was aware of the fact that it is not possible to come back. If we have taken any decision, we have to go on that decision, and it is not possible to come back decision and choose the another career. Similarly, take an example from your life. After 10th, you will choose, take an example. If we choose mathematics or science, and we have done our 12th with science or with the mathematics, and after 10th or after your graduation, you thought that I have to opt for commerce. Yeah, I had to opt for humanities, and I want to do it. I want to change my decision. So it will not be possible for you to come back and to change your decision. So once a decision is taken, it is forever. Once we made a decision in our life, it is forever. It changes our life. We have to satisfied with it. The poet says that after many years, he would say that he chose the less traveled path, and that made all the difference in his life. The poet is aware of the fact that after many years, he would say that he chose the less traveled path, and that has made all the difference in his life. Means whatever occupation or whatever career he has chosen, it had brought all the differences in his life. He will tell people that our life depends on the decisions we take. So now at this point in his life, he is in that situation that he can explain to other people that whatever decision you are taking in your life depends on that decision, and it will shape your life. The decisions will have great influence on our life, because the decisions which are taken by us, they shape our life, they greatly influence our life. Hence, it can be said that the present holds the future. So we can conclude, the poet is concluding that whatever we are doing at our present, whatever decisions we are taking in our present situation, that will holds the future, or it has a long impact on our future also. So we have to take decisions very judiciously and after deep thinking.